Hi everyone, this is Kia Keeley, and welcome to the Teach.Trade Direct. In this Direct, we will be showcasing Teach.Trade's current and future projects as they relate to trading education, trading tools, and mentorship opportunities. Teach.Trade is the go-to platform for all things trading. Our platform hosts an extensive library of resources to make trading more accessible to everyone globally. We offer a certified online academy, a comprehensive guide for trading, an A to Z learning pathway on how to get started, and weekly hands-on coaching sessions to elevate your trading abilities. Our platform is planned to launch to the public in 2024. Additionally, we have developed a line of deeply innovative tools and software to elevate your trading capabilities. Let's take a look.
A couple of months ago, we released our first tool, the Range Rush Reversal. Many traders have felt that this simple strategy was easy to understand and gave them an edge in their day trading. We accumulated over 5,000 installations of the Range Rush Reversal with a 5-star rating on WAP. Now, we want to go even further beyond. Today, I present the Range Rush Reversal Dashboard. This tool provides an overview of any tickers you want to scan for the Range Rush Reversal strategy. In this dashboard, you can set any 5 tickers you want. It will display the entries for orb, whether a ticker is breaking up or down, a predetermined automatic stop loss, and profit-taking levels. With this, you can quickly determine which tickers will have your main interest for the day after the first 30 minutes of market open have passed. This introduces a whole new range of possibilities. In theory, you could potentially trade tickers using this tool without even having to look at a chart at all. We are excited to say that the Range Rush Reversal Dashboard will be available later today.
It was a pleasure to develop the Range Rush Reversal as a free tool to empower traders with more confidence to make better trading decisions. It has led people to even more profits and more confidence in their own skills to elevate their trading. I'm extremely grateful for the overwhelmingly positive response, and I hope to build more for your betterment. Now, for the big moment. I'm extremely pleased and excited to share and reveal to you AutoStratic. Introducing AutoStratic, the future of trading. AutoStratic is an algorithmic trading software developed on TradingView's programming language, PineScript. The story of AutoStratic began in November 2022. At the time, I was starting to get disorganized with my trading plan. With juggling so many projects and multitasking between working, trading, and streaming, I felt so crunched for time every single day in the morning to form a daily watch list. Rushing my watch list would lead to unfocused days, feeling like I'm missing trades, and over time becoming more and more on the wrong side of the market. So I decided to think, how can I create more ways to focus more, how to organize my time, and to make sure that I'm sticking to my plan and not breaking my rules. And thus, I started to create my own indicators for personal use. With the boom of generative AI in 2023, it started to spark more ideas in my head of what was possible. I already had a winning blueprint to trading. And so all I had to do was to connect the dots to automate that process. Throughout the year, I started to document my winning trades. And through TradingView's code, I would translate those variables into the programming language. And with TradingView's extensive source of chart data, that made it all possible. As a leader in this trading space, I speak to mentees all the time about what are their most common issues, what are they struggling with, and we try to connect the dots to understand what they can be doing better to elevate themselves. What I learned from them and from my research, 90% of traders' main issue is how to find trades and how to have better entries and exits. That's then what became a shift from an indicator for personal use to an algorithm that can solve the problems of the trading world. So, here's how AutoStratic works.
AutoStratic is one of the only algorithmic trading tools that is trained solely on real-time price action. It does not use any lagging indicators at all. It is trained exclusively with principles of the strat trading system and variables of my winning trades. It was developed with probability analysis as a focus to better determine winning trades. Our goals are to assist traders in these crucial areas. Find high-quality winning trade setups, save time by 90% by cutting the charting process in half, add more confidence and confluence to existing trading strategies, and have a digital coach to help traders stick to their plan. How it works is near the end of each trading day, week, and/or month, AutoStratic reads the past 180 days of the chart and compares it to the current trading session. And then it analyzes several variables at market close to determine if there is a possible winning trade setup. Installing AutoStratic is easy. After downloading the software and inputting your TradingView username, the tool will appear in your invite-only scripts. All you have to do is click on the tool, accept the disclaimer, and it will appear on your chart. First, let's talk about the design. As an illustrator since the age of 8 and developer since the age of 12, I wanted to use my expertise to make this the simplest, sleekest design TradingView tool out there. No complicated lines or jargon, just clean labeled price levels. I wanted to make it suitable for all traders of varying strategies and indicators. I wanted to give the flexibility to the user as you can adjust the colors and themes to fit your personal chart setup. When a trade setup is detected, AutoStratic will synthesize a trade idea and plot the idea onto the chart automatically. It will display the levels to trade a long position, short position, and the price targets to use as a reference for profit taking. This is super helpful for helping traders identify setups and have more reliable entry points. This also saves a lot of time with pre-planning trades. You don't even have to mark up the chart. AutoStratic is doing most of the work for you. The action box is an area that displays actionable signals. Actionable signals are characteristics of the chart in the form of candlesticks, patterns, or setups that indicate an action can be taken. These are what help us determine if a ticker is tradable or not. The box will display if the current chart has a hammer, shooter, inside candle, kicking pattern, or a PMG. This will help you make sense of what you're seeing on the chart and help you know how many variables are in favor or against a trade. AutoStratic comes with a full instructional booklet with what some of the terms mean, how to use them, and how to maximize the usefulness of the tool. The magic of AutoStratic is that it works on any asset class: stocks, crypto, futures, Forex, oil, and options. In the settings, you can choose the asset class you're trading, and the algorithm will adjust accordingly. We wanted to unite all traders under one umbrella. With options trading, we built something truly special. We are pleased to say that AutoStratic is the first and only tool that uses AI to automatically generate real-time options trade ideas on TradingView with suggested strike prices and expiration. This is a groundbreaking achievement that the trading space has never seen before. Let's look at an example. On September 1st, AutoStratic generated a trade idea on Boeing on the weekly time frame. It displayed the entry level for puts under $221.95. This indicates that if Boeing's price action crossed below that level in the following trading session, that it would trigger an entry for puts. Once triggered, the target level was $221.88. To the top right, we can see the action box shows a shooter and PMG as actionable signals. To our right, here is the options trade idea that was automatically generated. It suggested a contract of 213 puts expiring September 15th. So, using the trade idea as a reference, we purchased the 210 puts expiring September 15th at $1.07, and 205 puts expiring September 29th at 84 cents to give us some extra time. The result? The 210 puts closed in the money at 217% profit, and the stock dropped over $15 from original entry. For the 205 puts, they closed over 1,300% from 84 cents per contract to $12 per contract. Boeing ended up dropping $30 from original entry. This was one of the greatest swing trades of the month of September, and AutoStratic was the one who found it, showed us exactly where to enter and what contract to enter, and the places where we could take profit. While AutoStratic does all of its analyzing outside of market hours, it can also be used intraday, with many use cases. The chart will display the entry levels and targets on every time frame. Here, we're on the 5-minute time frame, and we can see there's a trade idea on Bank of America. When the stock hasn't crossed it yet, the level will be grayed out. But when we cross it, it will become highlighted to show that an entry has triggered. In the settings, you can actually choose which time frame's trade idea to show on the time frames. If there are multiple trade ideas across time frames, or if you want to use one as a priority, you can select that one to be the one to be displayed. This way, you don't lose sight of that important level. If you want to add more confidence and be more precise in your entries, AutoStratic pairs very well with the range rush reversal. There may be times when an entry is triggered and the stock reverses. One way to avoid getting caught in a reversal is you can let it trigger, then confirm if the price breaks in the same direction of the trigger on the range rush reversal, and then check for any hidden resistance or support levels. And most importantly, AutoStratic comes equipped with alert functionality. This will be how you automate your trading process to the fullest and let AutoStratic do the work for you. When you right-click on the chart and select Add Alert, then click Create, your alerts will be set. You will receive alerts every time the ticker has generated a new trade idea and every time the ticker triggers the trade idea. Never stress again about missing any trade, because you'll surely be notified soon after about the next one coming your way. Remember, AutoStratic isn't meant to replace your existing trading strategy, it's meant to add to it and boost your abilities. Some traders who participated in the beta found that using AutoStratic actually helped them learn how to trade and understand better what makes a winning trade. That's absolutely what we're looking to accomplish, as education is our top priority here at Teach.Trade. If you thought that was it, there's even more we have in store for you in this software. Introducing the AutoStratic Radar. The Radar is a companion tool to AutoStratic. The Radar screens over 40 tickers to locate all the tickers that AutoStratic has determined have a trade setup. With this, you never again have to guess where the winning trades are. The Radar has functionality on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. You can set which time frame and tickers to screen in the settings. Outside of market hours, the Radar will screen for ideas for the next trading session. The Radar goes even further and has a trigger section. This section shows you which AutoStratic trade ideas have triggered, what direction they triggered, and whether they hit their price targets or not. The notable part of this tool is that it can be used both intraday and outside of market hours. With this tool, you will save so much time. What would take at least 30 minutes to hours of charting, your watch list will now be prepared for you every single day within mere seconds. This is the power of AutoStratic. With the extensive amount of work that went into developing this tool, with most of the programming, UI, design, and backtesting all handled by myself, accessibility was always at the forefront of my mission. From making it simple to use and easy to access, we want this tool in the hands of as many traders as possible while continuing to improve the tool with free lifetime updates. I am personally pleased to announce that AutoStratic will be available on November 1st and launch for only $29.95 per month. Or you can pay a one-time annual fee of $330 and get one free month of access. This special price will be available for the first 250 users and eventually rise to $39.95 per month. Of course, we want to state that no trading tool is perfect or has a 100% win rate. AutoStratic cannot currently account for news or real-world events. AutoStratic is also not to be used as financial advice for trading financial instruments, but rather as a tool for education. AutoStratic is getting better with each passing day, and I've been working tirelessly building this from the ground up towards what I'm presenting to you today. But wait, one more thing.